Have you ever wondered if Rolex watches are a smart investment? And perhaps you're curious about which Rolex models hold the highest appeal among collectors and investors alike. Well, get ready to embark on an exciting journey with us as we dive into the world of luxury timepieces. In this captivating exploration, we'll delve into the rich history of Rolex and discover what sets these watches apart from the rest. But that's not all. We'll also reveal the top Rolex models that not only exude elegance, but have the potential to increase in value over time. Before we get started, here's a question to test your knowledge. Who constructed the first clock watch around 1500 BC? A. Ancient Malayans. B. Ancient Egyptians. C. Nomads. D. Isaac Newton. Take a moment to think about your answer and don't forget to drop it in the comments below. But hold on tight because the correct answer awaits you at the end of this video. And while you're eagerly waiting for the reveal, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our captivating content. Let's dive into the fascinating world of luxury watches and uncover the answer to this intriguing question together. Are Rolex watches a good investment? That's a question that has piqued the curiosity of many watch enthusiasts and investors alike. And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Rolex watches have proven to be a popular choice for those seeking not only a luxurious timepiece, but also a valuable asset that appreciates over time. So let's delve into the fascinating reasons why Rolex watches are considered a smart investment. First and foremost, Rolex is a brand that commands immense respect and admiration in the horological world. With a rich history dating back to 1905, Rolex has established itself as a beacon of excellence, known for its unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and durability. This reputation for unmatched craftsmanship and reliability translates into high demand for Rolex watches, contributing to their investment value. It's like investing in a legacy that has stood the test of time. One key factor that sets Rolex apart is their limited production. Unlike some brands that flood the market with countless models, Rolex takes a different approach, carefully controlling the number of watches they produce each year. This deliberate strategy of scarcity and exclusivity adds to the desirability of Rolex watches, driving up their value in the secondary market. It's like owning a rare gem that becomes increasingly precious as time goes on. Additionally, Rolex watches are crafted using the finest materials available. From stainless steel to precious metals like gold and platinum, Rolex spares no expense in creating timepieces of exceptional quality. The use of high-quality materials not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of Rolex watches, but also contributes to their long-term value. Over time, these materials can appreciate in value, making a Rolex watch an attractive investment option. It's like investing in a work of art that not only tells time, but also holds inherent value. Another aspect that adds to the investment potential of Rolex watches is their historical significance. Some Rolex models have a captivating backstory, having been worn by notable figures or associated with significant events. The historical context and provenance of these watches can significantly increase their value, as collectors and enthusiasts are willing to pay a premium for these unique pieces of horological history. It's like owning a piece of time itself, with a story that captivates the imagination and adds an additional layer of value. Now, it's important to note that not all Rolex watches are created equal when it comes to investment potential. Factors such as the specific model, rarity, condition, presence of original box and papers, and market demand all come into play. Certain Rolex models have garnered more popularity and have a track record of appreciating in value over time. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed investment decision. Okay, before we reveal the top Rolex watches, I want to take a moment to remind you to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all things horology. By subscribing, you'll become part of our watch-loving community, gaining access to exclusive content, in-depth reviews, and much more. So, go ahead, show your support, and let's continue this exciting journey together. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most popular Rolex models that are considered excellent choices for investment in 2023. Rolex Submariner. This iconic diver's watch has become a timeless symbol of luxury and functionality. With its robust construction, versatile design, and rich heritage, the Submariner holds strong appeal among collectors and investors. Rolex Daytona. The Daytona is a legendary chronograph that has achieved cult status in the watch world. Its association with motorsports and its elegant yet sporty design make it a favorite among watch enthusiasts and collectors alike. Notable models include the Daytona Ref. 116500LN Daytona Ref, 116515LN, and the Daytona Ref. 116508. These models embody the spirit of speed and precision, capturing the essence of adrenaline and elegance in one timepiece. Investing in a Daytona is like owning a piece of racing history that resonates with the heart of every motorsport enthusiast. Rolex GMT-Master II. Originally designed for professional aviators, the GMT-Master II has evolved into a highly coveted timepiece for travelers and watch aficionados. Its ability to display multiple time zones and its distinctive aesthetics make it a sought-after model. Consider the GMT-Master II Ref 126710BLRO, GMT-Master II Ref 116710BLNR, and the Rolex GMT-Master II Ref 126711CHNR, known as the root beer for potential investment choices. These models not only offer practical functionality, but also carry an air of sophistication and adventure, attracting both collectors and investors alike. Owning a GMT Master II is like having a trusted companion that accompanies you on every global journey. These are just a few examples of Rolex models that have proven to be popular and have demonstrated strong investment potential. However, it's important to remember that the watch market can be influenced by various factors, including changing trends and preferences. Therefore, thorough research and consideration of individual factors such as model, rarity, condition, and market demand are crucial when making an investment decision. It's like carefully examining the facets of a precious gem to determine its value. In conclusion, Rolex watches have established themselves as not only exceptional timepieces, but also valuable assets that can appreciate over time. Their prestigious reputation, limited production, high-quality materials, and historical significance contribute to their allure in the watch market. So, if you're considering a Rolex watch as an investment, explore the models that align with your preferences and consult with experts to make an informed decision. Remember, investing in a Rolex is not only a financial decision, but also an opportunity to own a piece of horological history. And that concludes our exploration into the captivating world of Rolex watches. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. But before we wrap up, let's reveal the answer to the intriguing trivia question we posed at the beginning of this video. Who constructed the first clock watch around 1500 BC? The correct answer is B, ancient Egyptians. Yes, these ancient masters of innovation and craftsmanship were the ones who paved the way for timekeeping with their remarkable creation, the sundial. It's truly awe-inspiring to think about how they harnessed the power of shadows to measure the passage of time. Now here's a question for you, our amazing audience. Which Rolex model mentioned in this video resonates with you the most? Is it the iconic Submariner, the legendary Daytona, or perhaps the adventurous GMT-Master II? Let us know in the comments below. But before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and entertaining. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our watch-loving community. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our exciting content, including more insights into the world of luxury watches and investment opportunities. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, may your time be as precious as the watches on your wrist.